Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Alex, and today I'm back with another trade recap. So with that being said, we're taking a look at crude oil once again today. There's been so much going on with crude oil, I have not been missing my chance to profit, as that's pretty much all I've been watching. So as you see right here, this was Friday. There was a huge sell-off right before close because of what was going on this weekend. This weekend we had G20 with Trump meeting with the Chinese president to discuss the Chinese trade war. A little bit of news released on that, driving the market up, that there is positive news in the trade war. Still no resolution though. OPEC meetings also driving the oil price up. As you can see here, the gap up from Friday has been correcting itself and filling the gap, trending back down. We should see it fill and continue to trend back up, but there's no clear direction just yet. So with that being said, I've been watching crude oil all day as it started off strong and sold off almost all of its gains from the weekend. So we'll continue watching that. So let's move over to DWT, which is the inverse of crude oil. I knew that since crude oil had such a large gap this weekend that it would end up correcting itself, which would cause DWT to go on a run today, and that's exactly what happened. So let me check my notes for my exact entry and exit positions. Alright, so I know during this not the first run, that was the first run right there, so the second run, but the biggest run of the day is where I profited $950 on DWT. So let's take a look at that. So during this huge run right here, let's see, we started here. This is not my exact entry and exit, but if you played it right, you could have made 6.4% profit. Though I did not get a perfect entry and exit, I'll break down exactly what happened. So when I saw crude oil was starting to sell off, UWT was starting to pick up, I saw a break above the EMA line. As you can see, it's consolidating around the VWAP right here. So as soon as it broke above the EMA line, you see it pull back, and then the really big run, pull back, another really big run, pull back, and then some consolidation. So I entered with 4,000 shares at $6.12, which was this green candle right here. It was a bit of a pullback as I saw the trend was continuing. Spooked me a bit with these two candles, no clear direction, then it continued to uptrend again. Watched it pull back as I saw it was not crossing below the EMA line and it was a confirmed support. I held all my shares for this continued run. It pulled back and I sold 4,000 shares at $6.36. So one of these two candles, it was the red candle as it started pulling back. I knew right here at the 6.4 area is where I should have taken my profits, and I did. So I made $960 even on that trade, minus $2,495 commissions, totaling $9.90. Ended up with $950.10 profit on this trade. So I could have gotten a better entry and exit, but I'll take what I got and leave. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope these trade recaps help you guys. If you have any type of idea for any investment related video, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you'd like to connect on our free Discord trading group chat, that will be the first link in the description. If you'd like to connect on Instagram, our investment related Instagram page will be the second link in the description. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.